Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Anki. Today I am unboxing and reviewing Belkin's 4-port passenger car charger. I bought this charger from eBay, so if you would like to buy for yourself after watching my video, you can check the description below. I will make sure to link in the description. Now let's dive into unboxing and reviewing this charger. Belkin's Rockstar 4 USB port car charger comes with two USB port for driver and passenger smartphones with 1.2 ampere and two port with 2.4 ampere USB ports for backseat passengers devices. The removable backseat clip can be used to clip and secure the two-port rear dual USB port to the driver or passenger backseat pocket. The port comes with 6 feet long extension cable which allows back passenger to charge their devices conveniently in the back seat. It also comes with a connected equipment warranty that provides consumers with the confidence that their device is protected for up to $2,500 when properly connected. Design wise, the charger looks very simple. This classic black color charger quality looks solid and sturdy. Moving ahead, an indicator light lets you know the charger is fully plugged in and the device is charging. The charger is compatible with iPhones, iPod, iPad, iPad Air, iPad mini, Samsung Galaxy range, Samsung Note range and other smartphones like in this video I have demonstrated using Oppo A52. Now the review part. The charger is ideal for family or friends for a long journey or if you are always on the go and don't get enough time to charge all your devices completely. Okay guys, in this video I gave you the overall review of 4-port passenger car charger which you need to consider it before buying. If you have any questions or queries related to this product, make sure you comment down below. I will get you back. Anyways guys, while you wait for my next video, make sure you watch other product video as well. I appreciate you all watching my review video. I hope you have a great day. Like always, keep supporting me and keep in touch. Bye bye.